How to remove Meta account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Meta account on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is simply tap on see more in the account center. And now here, once you're inside the account center, then you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on manage accounts. And now here, once you're inside this section, just select the account that you want to remove. And now here, once you're inside it, then you simply have to tap on deactivation or deletion. And now here, you can simply select delete account from here and tap on continue. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on continue. And with that, you can choose the reason for your deletion, and there you can just tap on continue. And here with that, you simply have to select no continue with deletion, and at last you simply have to scroll down and tap on continue again, and there you simply have to enter your password to confirm your deletion, and with that your Meta account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. That's how you can remove Meta account on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.